Welcome to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at how to make natural cranberry juice at home. A lot of people are adding cranberry juice to their diet because of all of the health benefits that it has. And it's a lot less expensive to make it at home than to buy it, and that's if your store even carries natural cranberry juice. To start, you'll add 12 ounces of cranberries, either fresh or frozen. Next, you'll add 4 cups or 1 quart of purified water. Cover it, put it on high heat, and let it boil until the cranberries pop. While we're waiting for it to boil, here are some of the health benefits of natural cranberry juice. It has 5 times more antioxidants than some of the most well-known antioxidant fruits and vegetables like spinach and blueberries. It is one of the best things you can use to help treat a UTI. It is a powerful cancer fighter, it supports the kidneys and the bladder, and it helps to detoxify the liver. After the cranberries have popped, you're going to want to pour the entire contents of your bowl into a strainer. Now you can push through the strainer a little bit of the cranberries to make sure you get as much of that juice as you possibly can, but you're going to be left with a lot of pulp.